Previously on episode 8.
You almost burned down the house and got us all killed.
What did I told you? She was no match for you.
Right. I was asking if you know this guy. He just has followed me recently.
I hope to have you as my daughter-in-law. See? Capable woman.
See you tomorrow, babe.
See you, sweetie. I'm exhausted. There's an important meeting with VIP client tomorrow, so I'll go to bed early.
Mark, I was sad hearing what Mom have said.
Don't mind her. That's just how she talks.
Well, bye.
If there's nothing else, I'll go get my sleep. Babe, are you home yet?
I've just got bait. I see that your wife isn't around.
I just can't stop myself missing you, babe.
I'll make up for you tomorrow.
Bye.
What's up?
Linda, babe, wanna join me in the club tonight?
It depends. What do you have to offer?
All of me for the whole night.
Sounds boring, but I'll take that.
I'll come by right away, babe. Wow, hello there, sweetheart. You look stunning.
You look fine as well. Morning, babe.
Morning, babe. I miss you so much.
Oh, do you? It's weekend tomorrow. Prove it.
How about we have some fun while I'm on a business trip tomorrow?
That's naughty of you. But I have no clothes for your business trip.
Oh, does that mean I have the honor to take this beautiful lady to the mall for shopping?
Fair enough. See you after work.
Mom, I have your diet all packed and labeled inside the fridge. Please eat it as ordered, okay? I'll bring Mark his lunch before going home.
Don't bother my son at work. He's busy enough already.
Don't worry, Mom. I'll just drop him his lunch and then head home right away.
You are visiting him at the office, wearing that. Don't bring shame to his face by introducing you as his wife.
Yes, Mom.
Welcome. How may I help you?
Hello, I'm here to see Mark.
Oh, glad to see you again, Mrs. Wilson. Mr. Wilson's office is at room 1103. Please use this guest pass for entrance.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Why are you here?
I've just done preparing Mom's diet. So I'm stopping by to bring you lunch. And we could have lunch together if you have tea.
Don't ever come to my office wearing like this again. I have a face to save Maria.
Oh, I'm pregnant. People won't mind.
Fine, just leave it anywhere. There's an appointment upcoming. I'll have my assistant call you a cab.
Maria, glad to see you here.
Sorry, do we know each other?
Oh, right, it's me, Andy Campbell, from the hospital.
Oh, glad to see you again. You look different.
Can't be in the uniform all day, you know. Since we are here, let's have a drink somewhere, will you? I know a good place around.
Oh, thank you, but
Come on.
I couldn't have imagined you would be this stunning without the nurse uniform.
Oh, thanks, dear. I've heard a lot. And yes, I have a life besides work, you know.
Right. You told me once that you have kids.
Yep, an active boy got me busy all day. Can never keep an eye off him, or he'll break something right away.
You look great to me, though.
Why aren't I?
I mean, you have a busy job at the hospital and a child on your own.
And I enjoy them both. None of them are burden, but pleasure to me. I have a great job and a great little boy. What else could I ask for?
Well, you are amazing. You looked like an independent woman to me. And yet, you sounded like a devoted mother at the same time.
I don't see how it's amazing to you. But isn't it two different matters?
Comparing to someone who had to give up their job to take care of the family like me, you are amazing. I myself can't imagine me being able to archive such thing.
Well, you have 8 hours for work, and the other 8 hours for the family. Just have to use your time wisely. Besides, it's not shameful being a housewife, dear. You'll need to treasure yourself more. There's no priority over your own happiness. Not your husband, not your child. You live your own life, not theirs.
Maria,